Hey everyone! In this video, I'm going to show you how to schedule Klarna payments in mobile. Let's get into it. First, open the app and find your purchases. The first step is to get into your app and look for the list of things you have already bought. You need to find your active orders before you can change any dates. Open the app on your phone and tap on the button at the bottom that says Purchases or shows a small shopping bag. You have to open this menu so the app can show you your current payment plan. Without this step, you would just be looking at the main shop page and wouldn't see your personal calendar. Next, choose the payment you want to move. Click on the specific upcoming date that you want to move. Look for a small button next to the date that says Payment Options or Change Date. By selecting just one date, you can keep the rest of your plan the same while fixing the one that needs more time. It ensures you don't mess up your entire plan just to change one day. Then you can click on the option that says Snooze or Extend Due Date and look at the calendar. Tap on a new day from the choices shown on the screen, making sure it gives you enough extra time. Since you are setting the new schedule for your money, by picking a day after your next payday, you can make sure the money is ready and waiting. It is the key step to getting the right step and avoiding any extra fees for being late. And that's it. I hope this helped you out, and I see you in the next one.